Georgia families will likely head out onto the water again this Labor Day weekend, and one state agency is working to protect you, even though state budget cuts are forcing them to do a whole lot more with less. News 12's Will Nunley is live along the Savannah River this morning to show us why they are in Augusta for some crucial training, a story you'll see only on 12 this morning. Will.
And Lindsay, this will probably be a popular spot for Labor Day fun seekers, but the current of the Savannah River and even the current of the upper ends of the canal can be very strong, and it can catch you off guard if you're not prepared. But no matter where you are in the state on any waterway, there's a specialized group of trained officers ready to help you out in case of emergency. And this week, they're brushing up on their training right here on the rapids.
When you throw it to somebody, you yell rope.
Before they can enforce the rules of the water,
try to keep your helmet on.
They must first learn them themselves. These Georgia Department of Natural Resource officers are gathering at the Savannah Rapids Pavilion from all over the state. The mission to suit up and better learn methods for swift water rescue.
We tried to figure out the best thing that we could bring back to our guys to make them safe.
When you get in the current, assume that safe swimming position.
They're learning the ropes both as a rescue worker and in the water as simulated victims. The swift-moving current of the rapids, an unforgiving setting that has claimed several local lives before.
And this is a primary area that folks in Augusta like to come to. It's a beautiful area. At the same time, it does have its inherent dangers about it. And so we want to remind them, when they go into places like this along the water, to know the area and know what their abilities are.
Be careful, that thing will get you.
It's not just a fun day on the water. These rare group training sessions are becoming more crucial. This group, one of many state organizations trying to do more with less.
Several years ago, we were 250 strong throughout the state, and that's from the mountains to the coast. And right now, we've got 197 officers covering the state 24/7. That's on land and on water. DNR is primarily responsible for all waterways in the state. We investigate all boating accidents as well as drownings.
Each one of these agents is on call 24/7, often responsible for covering a 3-county area by themselves, knowing that in a real rescue situation, it could be just them, a rope, a small boat, and the life-saving skills they're learning along the rapids. And these officers will be here training in our area for another day or so, many of them traveling here, dozens, in fact, from the northern Georgia counties. Lindsay?
And it looks like this training could be really handy in a lot of different types of situations, Will.
Yeah, not just out on the lakes and the rivers, but they're also training for things like flash floods and things that can happen very quickly in some of our rural counties. And again, it could be just one or two of these guys trying to save several lives. So this training is very important. We wish them luck out there.
All right, News 12's Nunley reporting for us live this